Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring something super exciting. It's George Pig, and he just saw a real dinosaur. Yes, not a toy, not a book, not a picture. A real, giant, green, growly dinosaur right in front of him. What do you think George said? Probably Dinosaur! If you love dinosaurs and drawing time, don't forget to subscribe so you can go on more fun adventures with us. Let's begin drawing and coloring George and his dinosaur friend. As we draw, let's pretend we're in a magical jungle with tall palm trees, bubbling volcanoes, and dino footprints everywhere. George was just going for a little walk when he spotted something big, green, and spiky on its back. He rubbed his eyes and said, is that a toy? But then it moved, and it let out a giant roar! That's when George knew it wasn't a toy. It was a real dinosaur. Fun fact time! Did you know dinosaurs lived millions of years ago? That's a really, really long time, before there were cars, houses, or even people. If you found a dinosaur in the jungle, what would you do? Say hi, take a selfie, or maybe give it a name like Spiky or Dino Bob? Let's keep drawing and coloring. Your dinosaur adventure is just getting started. Let's imagine you are walking through the jungle with George. You hear birds, the wind, then stomp, stomp, stomp. You look up and see a huge green dinosaur with a toothy grin. George runs up and says, "Hello, Mr. Dinosaur, I'm George." The dinosaur bends down and sniffs. Sniff, sniff. Do you want to play hide and seek? George laughs and says, "Yes, but I'm really good at hiding." Where would you hide if a dinosaur was looking for you? Behind a palm tree, in a cave, or maybe under a big dino tail? Let's learn a few fun things about dinosaurs while we finish coloring. There were over 700 kinds of dinosaurs. Some were small like chickens, and some were taller than buildings. The dinosaur with 3 horns was called a triceratops, and the biggest chomper of all, the T-Rex. That's the one with the big teeth and little arms. Here's a funny fact. Some scientists think dinosaurs may have had feathers. Can you imagine a dinosaur with fluffy pink feathers like a bird? What would your dinosaur look like? Would it be rainbow-colored? Would it have glittery eyes or roller skates? If you're having fun drawing and learning with us, give us a big smile and a big like. And don't forget to subscribe so we can color more awesome creatures together. George loves dinosaurs. You probably know that from Peppa Pig episodes. He carries his toy dinosaur everywhere and says, "Dinosaur, rawr!" But in our picture today, it's not a toy. It's a big, friendly, real dinosaur in the jungle. And George isn't scared, he's excited. When you're drawing and coloring, you can give the dinosaur big, sharp teeth, green scales or rainbow spots, even a volcano in the background, just like in the picture. It's so fun to draw and color dinosaurs. They can look any way you want. Make them silly, spooky, or even super sweet. What sound do you think your dinosaur would make? Try it now. Roar! Great job, little artists! We drew George Pig and a real dinosaur, with big smiles, sharp teeth, and a magical jungle behind them. We learned that dinosaurs lived a long, long time ago. There were lots of types, big and small, and George's favorite word is still dinosaur. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!